Greetings, my name is Rick Douglas, and Superhairpieces have posted some of the videos that I have sent them to chronicle kind of my hair journey, if you will. And I just wanted to get on and give a report because I have always worn an HD111. That is a skin unit. It is advertised as disposable, and I can get about a month out of that unit, and so I'm okay with that simply because everything about the unit I absolutely love. This is an HD111 that I have on now, and I think you can see why it is indeed a love connection. No one ever sees me that will ever believe that I have on a hair system. I'm very honest about it. I mean, I figure if you're gonna do it, own it. Because I get so many compliments on my hair, I mean, daily on my hair, I'm always saying, it's a wig. And they look at me funny, and I get to kind of tell them my story. And so I've had people to hit me up, send me messages to say, hey, okay, tell us what you're doing. I think we want to give that a spin. So the last time I ordered a lace unit to see how that might work for me. The hair on it seemed great. It was a little bit curlier than what I normally am used to, which was also great. It was light on my head. I loved the fact that I could get in the shower and wash my hair and the water go through the unit to my scalp and kind of clean my scalp up a bit too, so it felt fresher all the time. I loved the way the hair styled. I love the fact that it was a little bit thicker. I love the fact that it would breathe more. It was easy cleanup because I taped the back perimeter and I used the Ghost Bond around the front, and that worked really well. If you are one that does not have an exposed hairline, or even if you are one that has just a little hair coming forward, falling forward, the lace unit would by far be the way to go. The first time I put it on, I didn't get it right. I marked my forehead to where I'd know where to put the glue, but the edge of the unit went past that a little bit. So I've learned my lesson, right? The second time, I got it on there good. I think that's gonna perfectly match, and it did, but I didn't quite let the bond dry enough. So if you have experience here, you will know what happened. I laid that lace unit down so things go through it, right? I pressed it and patted it down. Well, guess what? That bond went through the lace, got up in the hair just about 1/4 of an inch. So I thought, okay, learned my lesson. So the third time, I thought this is gonna work because honestly, I really wanted to like this lace unit. I really did. So I get it on there, I get it marked. Everything is going perfect. And I get it down and I let the bond dry enough and the lace disappeared across the front, and I thought, that's it. And so I'm combing it back and doing things, and I thought, what is that? Well, right over here, there's a little fold in it to where I had laid the edges down, but I hadn't pulled it apart far enough to where this would be smooth. I had just kind of sat it down. So when I stuck this down, there's this little fold over here on this side. So that wasn't perfect. So now, when I go to do it again, I will know, number one, get it marked right. Number two, let the bond dry before you put the lace down on it, and it'll work. Number three, make sure you pull it tight enough across the sides, just a bit, so that it will lay smooth across the front. So the next time I do it, I'll be mindful of those three things. So if you're watching this and you're going to do a lace unit, remember that. Let that bond dry enough. You want it to be sticky and tacky, but not gooey enough to where it will press through that lace. And when you put the lace down on it, get like a comb or something and just tap across it very, very gently, and it will work. If you are wanting to have something that's easier, quicker, with an easy cleanup, and to be able to wash the top of your head, then a lace unit is really, really super. So that's all I got for now. Anyway, appreciate you watching this video. Go to Superhairpieces website and look at all the choices of hair pieces that there are. Look for the HD111, which is what I wear, and look for the lace unit. Thanks Superhairpieces for your help in this, and even in these rough times that we have been through, the COVID year and when hair pieces were short supply, and I have to say this HD111 is fabulous. Thank you Superhairpieces again. So again, Rick Douglas here saying peace out.